the cool thing is you can draw these anywhere, right? And depending on what you make, it may sound good or not. This is not going to sound good, by the way, because I didn't follow any rules of composition of this. Just listen. This is probably going to sound bad. It's very interesting, all right? But watch this. I'm just going to rename this thing. Right-click, rename it. I'm going to call it Not Very Good, okay? But that's okay, you know? It's fine. I'm going to double-click a new one. I can make as many of these as I want. So watch. Double-click. See that? And then remember, you have to hit play on it. I can take a snare, and if I put it on the right places, it'll be very easy to follow the beat, okay? For example, beats number 2 and 4 are very important in beat making, right? Or if you're doing trap beats, it'll be beat number 3, and I'll explain that another time. I'm going to place a snare on beat number 2, snare on beat number 4. That's it. Now listen. Very easy to follow it. Put a kick on the 1. Now listen. This is the easiest thing to build around. Right? And if I'd start doing this, watch. Boom. Okay. That's getting somewhere, right? I can even take this and just rename this Not Bad. All right? So then I can take the Not Bad one, I can duplicate it, and I can go, how about not, I don't know, not bad. How about Not Bad Either, right? Say Not Bad Either. I'll play Not Bad Either, and I'll just start adding some things to it, like hi-hats. I can even take some hi-hats away to add some funk. See that? Okay. You guys now, I want you guys to play around with this.